Welcome to Yin Yoga. Today I have letting go in yoga, emotional release and nervous. Come into child pose in a way that feels honest to your body today. Let your forehead rest down, your shoulders soften, your breath slow. Nothing is being asked of you here. You don't need to understand what you're feeling. You don't need to explain it, analyze it, or change it. This shape is simply an invitation to be held by the floor, to reminder that even when emotions feel heavy, you don't have to carry them alone. Stay here, breathing gently, letting the body feel supported, letting the nervous system begin to settle. Slowly wake up, come into dragonfly. Open your legs wide without reaching forward. Let your spine relax. This pose is not about death or stretching further. It's about creating space, space in the hips, space in the breast, and space in the mind. If your thoughts feel crowded or overwhelmed, let the wildness of this shape remind you that you are allotted to take up space in this world. Exactly as you are, nothing need to be pushed. Nothing need to be forced. Simply stay, breathe, and notice. Slowly wake up, come into bridge pose. Lie on your back. Interlace your finger behind your back. Bring your shoulder blades together. Allow your chest to gently lift without effort. There is no need to engage your muscle strongly. This is a resting heart shape, a place where emotion stored in the chest can soften without being forced open. Slowly release. Come into reclined bound angel pose. Where your knees fall naturally, there is nothing to hold, nothing to control. This posture invites deep permission, permission to be open without being explored, permission to soften without being weak. Notice how your breath moves your body effortlessly, even without trying. Your body knows how to heal. Stay here, letting that wisdom work quietly. Extend your legs. Come into Shavasana. Rest here without expecting anything to happen. You don't need a breakthrough. You don't need clarity. Whatever remains is allotted. Whatever breathes is allotted. Simply notice the quiet that appears when you stop trying to be anything other than yourself. This practice was never about changing yourself. It's about staying with yourself. You didn't push. You didn't fix. You stayed. You listened. You allowed it. That alone is enough. Carry this gentleness with you into your breath, your body, and the rest of your day. You can return to this softness anything you need. Thank yourself for showing up today. See you.